Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we'll talk about logical operators. Logical operators are used to combine conditional statements. For example, if you want to combine two or more conditional statements, you can use these logical operators. You can use the AND operator, the OR operator, or the NOT operator. Let's start with the AND operator. The AND operator returns true if both conditional statements of both sides evaluates to true. Let's say, for example, we had a conditional statement that says 4 is greater than 2 and another condition that says 7 is less than 19. And if you store this in a variable a, and if I try to print this a variable onto our screen and run our file, it's going to return true because it will first check the left side condition is 4 greater than 2, so this will return true, and it will also check the right side is 7 less than 19, it will also return true. So this AND operator will evaluate down this true and true to one true. So let's say it's like saying, for example, true, and also this side true. So true and true will evaluate down to one true. This AND operator only checks if both of the sides evaluates to true, and if both of the sides evaluates to true, it will evaluate down to true, and if any of the sides evaluates to false, it will evaluate down to false. So let's say true and false. You clear the console, run the file again, it's going to return false because one of the sides evaluates to false. The OR operator also, if you say true or false, this OR operator will check if one of the sides evaluates to true, and if one of the sides evaluates to true, it will evaluate down to true. So if you run our file, it's going to return true, and if both sides evaluates to false, it will return false. The not logical operator takes one boolean value and it will check if something is not true or it's not false. So let's say, for example, not true will evaluate to false because if something is not true, obviously it's false. So not true equal to false, not false will equal to true. So it has only one boolean value.